Hello viewers and welcome to History Facts That School Refuses to Teach You. History is an essential part of education, but not everything is taught in school. There are certain historical facts that have been suppressed or overlooked, leaving us with an incomplete understanding of our past. In this video, we will delve into some of the lesser-known moments in history and reveal the truth that school refuses to teach you. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Here is the list of history facts that school refuses to teach you. Augustus Caesar was the wealthiest man to ever live in history. The nephew and heir of Julius Caesar, Roman Emperor Augustus, had an estimated net worth of $0.46 trillion when counting for inflation. Some say that Mansa Musa, king of Timbuktu, was the world's wealthiest man, as his wealth was apparently too great to count. However, Augustus's staggering wealth could be measured. Alexander the Great was buried alive. Accidentally, at age 32, when he died, Alexander the Great had conquered and created the largest land-based empire the world has ever seen. It stretched from the Balkans to Pakistan. In 323 BC, Alexander fell ill, and after 12 days of excruciating pain, he seemingly passed away. However, his corpse didn't show any signs of rot or decomposition for a whole 6 days. Modern-day scientists believe Alexander suffered from the neurological disorder Guillain-Barré syndrome. They believe that when he died, he was actually just paralyzed and mentally aware. Basically, he was horrifically buried alive. In the ancient Olympics, athletes performed naked. The athletes did this to imitate the gods, but also to help them easily clear toxins from their skin through sweating after each attempt at a sport. In fact, the word gymnastics comes from the ancient Greek words gymnasia, athletic training, exercise, and gymnos, naked. This translates as to train naked. Julius Caesar was stabbed 23 times. Julius Caesar is probably the most iconic name associated with the Romans. Likewise, his assassination and death are also highly notorious, due to his coup d'état of the Roman Republic and his proclamation of himself as dictator for life. Along with his radical political views, a group of his fellow Roman senators led by his best friend Brutus assassinated him on March 15, 44 BC. During the assassination, Caesar was stabbed at least 23 times before finally succumbing to his wounds. The Colosseum was originally clad entirely in marble. When you visit or see the Colosseum these days, you'll notice how the stone exterior appears to be covered in pockmarks all across its surface. Whilst you might assume this is just a degradation of the material due to its age, it is actually because it was originally clad almost entirely in marble. The reason for the pockmarks is after the fall of Rome. The city was looted and pillaged by the Goths. Yes, that's right, the Goths. They took all of the marble from the Colosseum and stripped it down to its bare stone setting. It was named the Colosseum because it was next to a statue called the Colossus. It was originally known as the Amphitheatrum Flavium, or Flavian Amphitheater, as it was constructed during the Flavian dynasty. Residents of Rome nicknamed it the Colosseo. This was due to the fact that it was built next to a 164-foot statue of Emperor Nero known as the Colossus of Nero. There were female gladiators. A female gladiator was called a gladiatrix, or gladiatrices. They were rarer than their male counterparts. Gladiatrices served the same purpose of executing criminals, fighting each other, and fighting animals in Rome's various fighting pits. The Vikings were the first people to discover America. Half a millennium before Christopher Columbus discovered America, Viking chief Leif Erikson of Greenland landed on the island of Newfoundland in the year 1000 AD. The Vikings under Leif Erikson settled Newfoundland, as well as discovering and settling Labrador further north in Canada. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.